Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do a live streaming with vStation. With vStation you can set up your parameters for the live stream. You can use YouTube Live, Facebook Live, do a general RTMP and RTSP streaming protocol, either direct to a player or to a CDN. For this demo, I'm going to do YouTube Live. I put in all my parameters with the key that they provide you. You have to set up an account with YouTube and a channel in order to do that. Anyway, this has all been set up here. And then in order to do the streaming, you have to have your sync on. And then if you are only using one monitor, you want to be able to turn on your program monitor here. There we go. And that actually move it around the screen. And that allows us to monitor the video. And then streaming is fairly simple. First of all, you turn on AutoProducer. I want to name the stream. Say May 3rd, 2025. And I can actually record each of the source videos at the same time, but in this case I'm not. I'm just going to do a stream, and then I'm going to just actually record the live stream at the same time. So we can pick, before we start the stream, we can pick what we want to start with. So I'm going to start with color bars. You could start with black. These are pictures that you can create, put into your vStation folder, and they're just JPEG or BMPs that are 1920 by 1080, and then you can use them as part of your switching during your live stream. So I'm going to start with the color bars, and then I guess what we'll do is we choose the streaming service. You can do the RTSP, RTMP, YouTube, or Facebook. So I have chosen YouTube. I've also chosen to do a transition between when I switch. So we just hit live stream, and now we can see we are starting. The red tells us we are actually recording or streaming, and now you can see the output is the color bars, but then I can switch over to our video, live video. This could be a room 1, room 2, room 3. Then we could maybe put a maybe an advertisement in, or a slide in between, and then go back to our room or any of the rooms we want. And then if we are at the end, we can just put an end slide there. And when we're done, we just turn off stream. And that's all you do. You turn off your live video. And then we also have a program that was created, program video that was created for this as well, that we can go back and review. So even if the connection got bad, you still have the program video that you made, and later maybe you want to upload that to YouTube.